guys. First up, we've got break number 3 from Hit Parade Series 2 Big Box. We started these last weekend, so we've got hopefully 2 more that we're going to be breaking tonight. So this is break number 3, is all filled up, ready to go. You've got 5 to 7 autographed memorabilia items per box. So we're looking for that Trevor Lawrence autographed full-size helmet, or a Acuna jersey, or Josh Allen jersey. Some big hits that you can find in here. So every spot gives you 2 random last name letters. So we're using, the only letters we're not using are Q and X. So everything else is in play. So 12 total spots. Jason J, you've got 3 in this one. Matt C, you've got 4. Rick, you've got 3. Donnie's got 1. And that's it. So that'll close us out. So you got 4 guys in this one. So let's go ahead and randomize the 20 letters up first. All right, so I got all 24 letters here, minus Q and X. So let's go ahead and randomize this. Donnie, I'm not sure. I'm waiting to hear back from Dave and Adams on what they're going to let me do with those items. If I got to mail the whole box back, if they'll let me keep a few of those. I'd love to keep the Montana and the Herbert. So whether or not they'll have to offset my reimbursement or something for that, I don't know. But if they let me hang on to it, I'll let you know if you're interested. All right, let's go ahead and randomize this 5 times as well, and then we'll match them up with the letters. Eric, what's going on, man? How are you doing tonight? All right, let's get these sorted. We'll figure out what your letters are. All right, here we go. So Donnie, you've got Y and K. Jason, you've got D, T, M, G, Z, and H. Matt, you've got A, V, U, W, B, P, L, and R. And then Rick, you've got N, C, E, F, O, J, I, and S. Man, a lot of vowels in that. You got 3 vowels in that one. All right, so there are your letters. Yeah, Y and K, not too bad. Hey, man, any youngs? K may not be that bad. Eric, I got it, man. Yeah, go check out TennskinBreaks.com. Some cool breaks that, in a lot of cases, I don't know that too many other breakers are doing. I know it's popular to do the case breaks of the newest product that just came out from Panini or Topps or whatever. But a lot of these secondary kind of buyback stuff is a lot of fun too. All right, so box 23 out of 50 on this. So this one did not get kicked down the street from UPS. So seals, tape, all intact. All right, guys, good luck. All right, looks like we got a basketball up first. All right, it's Dave and Adams, C of A. Try not to look at the name on it. All right, there's your auto. Any guesses on that? I don't know who that is. Here's the David Adams sticker on the basketball. Oh, nice. How about Akeem the Dream? You wouldn't think O would be a hit in this. But there it is, Hakeem Olajuwon. It's a nice one there for Rick. Cool hit on the Hakeem basketball. All right, so that's one. All right, next we got football. All right, I feel like we've pulled this before. I think it looks like a Dante Culpepper. Which, if so, it's last name C, which will be another one for Rick. There's the Fanatics sticker on there. And that is it. Dante Culpepper. All right, so Rick's 2 for 2. All right, next we got a Rays. Oh, this is a nice one. Tampa Bay Rays. This is a majestic jersey. JSA authenticated. And it's going to be a Randy Arozarena. So last name A on that. Matt C, that's coming to you, buddy. Nice authentic jersey. Got the Nike logo on there. That's cool. All right, hit number 4. All right, it's going to be a Joe Bellino. Got a 60, I don't know if that says Hall of Fame or some kind of inscription there. Beckett authenticated. Last name B is another one for Matt. All right, looks like we got a 5-hit box, so one more hit. Oh, nice. Nice Derrick Henry autograph 16 by 20. Jason J, we got one for you. So it is his own hologram there, as well as TriStar authenticated. All right, and that'll do it. We'll double check and make sure. Paper down in there. All right, so we'll get those items in the mail to you guys tomorrow. So appreciate you guys jumping in. Again, we got a handful of spots left in big box number 4. So hopefully that will be coming up later tonight.